Beware of the pitfalls particular to divorce from a narcissist. In another video, I talked about the characteristics of narcissistic personality disorder, and I described some coping strategies that may help to make life with a narcissist bearable. But if all gets too much, you may feel ending the relationship is the only way out. If you are legally married, that means divorce. Now be prepared. If life with a narcissist was hard, breaking away may be next to impossible. They will not want to let you go. After all, denigrating you bolsters their ego. More importantly, the act of being rejected by you provides the opportunity for a tremendous show of victimization and a chance to show the world what a terrible person you are. For the narcissist, your divorce will be a game they have to win. They need to be seen as the victim and be proven right. Your emotional plight is of no concern to them. Remember, a narcissist is incapable of empathy. It's important to understand this context from the start so you're equipped to withstand the roller coaster ride you're about to be subjected to. Some tactics the narcissist might use include obstructiveness, incurring lots of delays that will frustrate you and you'll run up costs. Refusal to negotiate, another maneuver to prolong the process and wear you down so you capitulate. Vilification, be prepared to have your character assassinated. Refusal to close the case. Even after settlement, you may be dragged back into court or suffer endless emails harassing you or complaining about some aspect of your behavior or parenting skills. We'll cover this in a co-parenting with the narcissist. Coping mechanisms for divorcing a narcissist. The tips outlined previously, which describe ways of maintaining your self-esteem and establishing self-boundaries in the face of a narcissistic onslaught, apply equally to the divorce scenario. In addition, the following may help. Hang on to your identity and your self-worth. Finding an alternative support network and other ways to reinforce your own value so you don't succumb to the inevitable condemnation of you. Be reasonable and don't fall into the trap of responding emotionally. At the same time, keep copies of everything, especially expenses. Remember that narcissists are adept liars, so you need to have firm evidence for all your assertions and claims. Be very clear about your priorities. Make a list of the outcomes that really matter and stick to them. The narcissist may try to entangle you in fights over petty details to derail you. Don't let them. This may mean being prepared to give way on trivial issues. Lose a few battles in order to win the war. Try to put yourself in their shoes. Think like a narcissist or simply like the partner you know. How are they likely to respond to certain requests? What might their tactics be? If you can anticipate their behavior, you might be able to preempt it. At the very least, you'll be prepared to and able to deal with it. Now, choose a divorce attorney who displays emotional intelligence and sensitivity. This is not the occasion for the pitbull lawyers are to destroy the opposition. This approach will only ramp up the adrenaline on both sides and make settlement even more difficult. Negotiating with a narcissist is frustrating at the best of times. You need your representative to be hypersensitive to the strategies your partner may deploy and have the resourcefulness to disarm them. What about children? If there are children involved, the situation is even more complex. Children are often used as pawns by narcissists to manipulate the partner, or they are fed negative information and impressions designed to turn them against the other parent. Unless the narcissist partner is a threat to the children, it is likely that you will have to continue to have links even after divorce. Navigating this relationship and learning to co-parent with a narcissist will be the subject of our next video. My firm, SD Law, are experts in divorce and family law and have dealt with many cases of narcissistic control in intimate relationships. If you are married to someone with NPD and considering divorce or just want to discuss your options, we can guide you through the process with compassion and dignity. You can contact us on 086 099 5146 or by email.